Hi, Dr. Jennifer Marte here today to tell you about Keyestudio's Vision Smart Car. I'll start you off by showing you the final thing. Here's our smart car here. As we can see, this is a minimalist car. It's got two wheels that you add in with the motor on each one, and then a universal wheel up at the front. We've also got LEDs at the front to illuminate the car so it can see what it's doing, and a camera. So on some of the other kits, we had ultrasound sensors that were at the front to see when stuff was in the way. But in this car, we have an actual camera, and it then relays to your phone or your computer exactly what it's seeing. You can control whether it's going forward, backward, left, right, the different speeds, the trim, the lights, the quality of what you're seeing here, the resolution, etc. So let's have a go then and see if we can explore this dark cave. So let's go forward, forward, forward. All right, so we've made it to our cave. A little bit closer here. Let's have it keep going into the cave, and right now we can't see very much, but if we turn these lights on the front of our car, we start to see what is inside our cave. So at the moment we can see what looks like an arm of a person. So let's keep going forward a bit. Now we've got even more of our person. Let's turn to the left. We can see the edges of the box. Oh, and we've found our next thing. We can get a little bit closer to it, and we can back up if we want so that we can get a better view of what's going on. Turn those lights on a little bit more. We can see we've got a pig and a unicorn, so we can have a look at what we were actually seeing. We've got our pig, unicorn, Batman, and a policeman. Highlights of this kit. This is perfect for having groups of students who are coming in to see what engineering is about. So if you have an hour-long session, for example, with a local school, you can put these together in, we'll say 10 to 15 minutes for students if they've never done anything like this before. But then it's just plug and play, because the codes that you need to make this work are available online. All of the codes work. So the students can have this little car exploring dark environments or underneath tables, whatever it is you want to put together, within an hour-long slot, which I think is amazing. And a lot of the other kits, you could spend an hour just making the car. So if your focus is not making the car, but using the car, this is the kit for you. The one thing I would say that took me a while in this particular kit was finding the battery. Okay, now this seems to be a reoccurring theme because these kits use lithium batteries, and a lot of other kits I was able to use AA batteries instead. In this kit, that didn't work. Okay, I had 4 AA batteries, and the battery car that I made to go behind this was actually bigger than this car. So I think in this case, it is worth actually going and getting that one lithium battery. It's got a nice little space in there for it. We've got an upcoming science festival. I think we're going to buy multiple of these kits because they're easy to put together. I think they'll also be easy to take apart. So I'll be able to have a group of students put them together and use them in the morning, disassemble them myself, put them back in the box, and then in the afternoon, have a different group of students put this together. I think we'll end up doing this a lot because this seems brilliant for those 1-hour sessions. But overall, I was very, very pleased with this kit. So I hope you found this review useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, have a good day.